to fund it. So I have a clear plan to expand paid leave and sick leave. John McCain doesn't, and that's a real difference in this election. Finally, at a time when folks are struggling with the rising price of everything from gas to groceries, I want to provide working women with some immediate relief. While Senator McCain wants to continue the Bush tax cuts for the wealthiest Americans, we don't need them and we're even asking for them. I want to pass a middle-class tax cut of $1,000 for each working family. This will deliver tax relief for over 70 million working women. And we need to help folks at the bottom of the ladder. Almost 60% of Americans who benefited from raising the minimum wage were women. I won't leave any working person behind. That's why, like Senator McCain, I'll index the minimum wage to inflation so that it goes up each year to keep pace with rising costs. We just can't have an economy where folks keep working harder for less. We can't let women in our workforce get paid even less for doing the same work. We can't keep pushing more and more of the burden on the backs of working parents who are struggling to balance job and family. Because what binds us together, what makes us one American family, is that we stand up and fight for each other's dreams, for the dreams of all our children. See, I want my daughters to grow up in an America where they have the exact same opportunities as the boys have. Opportunities that are greater than their mother had, or their grandmother, or their great-grandmother. An America where they truly have the same opportunities as sons. And standing here today, I know that we've drawn closer to this America because of extraordinary women. Women like the Lieutenant Governor and the First Lady, the extraordinary woman who I shared a stage with so many times throughout this campaign, Senator Hillary Rodham Clinton. In the months and years ahead, I look forward to working with her and to women all across the country to make progress on the issues that matter to American women and to all American families. Healthcare and education, support for working parents, and an insistence on equality. Because I want Sasha and Malia to grow up in America where both work and family are part of the American dream, and where that dream is available to all. That's why I'm running for president of the United States. All right? So, that's my opening comment. And what I'd like to do now is just open it up for questions, comments. We've got a microphone in the audience, just so everybody can hear you. There are no rules. You guys are going to take this away, I guess.